Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carisha from travelwithcarisha.com, and I am here with one of my favorite brands, Louis Vuitton. So I have an unboxing for you all today. I thought this was on Target for the fall winter season. So if you read the video title, you kind of know what this already is, but we'll unbox it and have a little fun anyway. So this has been something that I've wanted for a while. I just never got it because I was buying other items from the fashion line, and then I happened to see it was available and I was like, hey, why not? So it comes in this really pretty brown box. This Louis Vuitton part is covered up and it doesn't say Louis Vuitton on the outside packaging, but I thought this box was really pretty, and I actually may keep this brown box for a minute. I don't know. You open it up like so, and then we have that pretty orange Louis Vuitton box, and I'll just take it out. Of course, it's kind of thin. That's the front, the back, and then you have the sides. I collect the boxes, so I'll definitely keep this one. And we open it. Oop! We open it up, and I have a little. That's how it looks on the inside, and this little goodie fell out. So we have a card here. And then we have this little thingy. And this little guy is your receipt and a nice little envelope. But it's also your return label. So, yeah. And then you have your package here. They have a nice Louis Vuitton sticker. Can you guys see that? Super cute. I love their packaging. Packaging is everything. And then you open it up like that. And like that. And we have a beautiful pink rose ballerine. This is the Rose Ballerine Logomania Shine Scarf. I have another one in the black, but this paper is just not going to let me be great. I have the black and silver, so it was nice to add the rose ballerine to my collection. Pink is my favorite color, so this is something I've been wanting for a very long time. So let's just take it out the package and take a look. So really pretty. So before we get into it too much, this scarf is 95% wool, 3% silk, and 2% polyester. So as you can see, you can definitely tell it's wool. Really pretty. So this is the outside. You have the rose ballerine as the main color, and then you have fringes on the end. So let's talk about the length. Right now it's doubled over, but if you take a look at the length, including both sides, we have about 69 inches. And then if we look at the width, it's about 12 inches across. So beautiful Logomania, and they call it the, obviously Logomania because you have the logos everywhere. But the shine, because you see that really pretty shine, we have the LV, and then we have the really pretty logo. That's a really shiny material. But if you look on the other side, you can also wear it this way. And it's a lot of shine on the other side. And then the pink is the softer color. Look how gorgeous this scarf is. So let me just do a quick. Ooh, this is going to be my winter accessory. And so imagine this with a really cute outfit. You got your jacket and your winter coat. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look how pretty that is. And I love the fringe detail. That's just your traditional scarf fringe. And this is a jacquard woven pattern. So basically jacquard is a way to do a horizontal stitch and then come back with a vertical stitch. So really nice detailing on the sewing jacquard technique, and it's just a really nice winter accessory. Look how pretty that is. And what I'm going to do is pull out my black. I cannot wait to wear this. My black shawl for you guys, because I know with it being wool, there is some concern about maybe wear and tear. So I wanted to show you guys my black. So here's my black Logomania shawl. I have had this shawl for about maybe 2 or 3 years. And as you can see, it still looks really, really good. The fringe detail is a little bit more rugged. And I think it kind of, let's see. So the only issue with this shawl, let me see. You can see there is a little bit of pilling. I'm going to do a full review on this in another video. But like this pull here. Let's see. I thought there were a couple of other areas that had, okay, so here we go. And you got these little pulls here. Now that could have been just the scarf getting snagged on something, because I have snagged it quite a bit, unfortunately. Not intentionally, but it's just one of those things. So you do have to be careful. Like, look at that. But if you're far away, you really can't see it. You really cannot see it. I notice those imperfections because, you know, it's my scarf. But if you're wearing it, you really cannot tell the difference. This is a very warm, cozy scarf. I normally wear it up under my coats. Sometimes I'll wear it as an outfit, like with a long sleeve shirt, and then I'll put this over it just like this one, except for my sleeves will be a little bit longer, and I'll just wear it all day. Or I'll wear it under a coat and take it off once I get to, you know, my destination, wherever I'm going. But this scarf is definitely worth the money because it ain't cheap. I think it's worth every penny. I think this scarf is in excellent condition for it to be, you know, a couple of years old. But that is the Louis Vuitton Logomania Shine scarf. And this is available. The rose ballerine is available online. They have another hot pink color that I actually want. I don't have that one, but I want to add that to my collection. And I think there's a couple of other colors. I do want the hot pink, but the other, oh, there's a brown. It's gorgeous. It looks just like the brown monogram canvas handbags. Absolutely gorgeous, but I don't have that one. So there you have it. That is my unboxing. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. But that's the Logomania scarf. Logomania Shine scarf. And you can get this on the Louis Vuitton website. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe to join the party. I will be posting videos every day until the end of the year. So see you in my next one. Bye.